Here you go, Devon and your family. Are you guys trying to get SNAP? Try to get the federal? If you guys had to pay your taxes. So get to California and try to get CalFresh. Your hearing rights. These two are handling the inner transaction of the IRAs. These two cables. Crazy. Ooh, speaking. Me? I'm a nobody, alright? To tell you that maybe the IRAs are working on this. On like this frequency one. Wait, not the pencil. It says Sanford. Yeah. Out of all the cables that there is, what I want you to try to do is come up with a coded formula to try to create the rare, not a spark, a fuse.
Mrs. Gitter, I am afraid our service is out today. Would you care to wait for close?
I then do something called Python. Why? Because it's for reptilians. Alright then, I'll teach you what you just taught me. But first off, look at that. You see this? For your family. This right here would be the piece of wood. This piece of wood right here. It's from Home Depot. That's what I'm wearing. It looks all pro, right? It looks all pro. All pro. Oh goodness, huh? Goodness. We're gonna need somebody who's into electronic configurations to run them through this. So they can give you my wonderful creation. The HDD, the hard disk drive. Before anybody gets out of it, ELAC, you can lick my nuts and you can lick my sack. You motherfuckers posting the fucking receipt on that shit. The fuck is going on? You got that shit? Look at my hair. My hair is not fucking curly. You see that shit? It's not fucking curly. You see that? Get one of those first. That is got the second chance at life. And then you get one of these. Why is the second chance at life? Just in case all of this shit breaks, the thing on YouTube, there'll be electricity for your life inside of there, caused by what? Caused by your serotonin inside of your body. After you constructionally slab yourself, you're gonna be able to go get that green and to get that wood. Not wood must have a different color. That green and that piece of wood.
You can cut the designs today, if they want you.
I'll get to you all as soon as I'm all the way down with Mrs. Gitter.
Devon. What about in binary or in the code of what you said that A minus B equals, or what did you do? What about the letters Microsot? Look, here you go. I guess the Book of Life is a good book to get. I guess it's a good book to get. The Despo. The way to the best. The Despo is so easy that it's in a commentary. Kami would only mar the supreme simplicity of this chapter. Mar. The dragonflies were chosen as symbols of joy because of the author's observations as naturalist. Paragraph 1 merely repeats chapter 4 in quintessence 1001. Being 11, this thing right here, it should be like Ajax. Parentheses 1 to 13 is a symbol of the complete unity manifested as the many. 4, this right here should be like Ajax. I guess it wants to be put together as Ajax. Gives the whole course of numbers from the simple unity of phallus. The shape of the figure I, the shape of the figure 1, suggests the phallus. And a phallus in computer wouldn't be something that had gone flaccid, but something that just stays in this one right here. I will show you the page right now. You didn't earn this, but take it to university and try to translate this side. My mom started burning it. Before the simple gematria or gematria has any proper meaning, how then can a certain student in his research? The uninitiated would expect life and light in the one. Only by experience can he know that to man the Godhead must be expressed by those things which most he fears. We here purposely avoid dwelling on the mere silliness of any gematria correspondences, e.g., the equality of the teeth is one sign with the intelligence of another. Such matches are more frequent than such hits as ACHD, unity 1-3 equals AHP stuff and 1-3. The argument is an argument in a circle. Only an addict can understand the Kabbalah, just as in Buddhism, Sakyamuni said. Only an arahant can understand the Dhamma. In this light, indeed, the Kabbalah seems that little more than a convenient language for recording experience. We mentioned in passing that therapy never equates an obvious cook of arguing. X equals y plus 1, and then it created a perfect triangle. X equals y. By assuming that x should add 1 to itself for the concealed unity, why shouldn't y have a little concealed unity of its own? That this method should ever have been accepted by any Kabbalist argues a bankruptcy of ingenuity beyond belief. In all consciousness, it is easy enough to fake identities by less obviously card-shaping methods. This one belongs in here to teach you English. Why? The Book of Mormon, it gives a pronunciation key and an index. What do those names mean and what are the values in computer science?